Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, there are some fragrances that I love down, but I don't love to wear them in the spring and summer season. So I don't know if you're like me, but I know that you can wear fragrances anytime you want, any season. But there are some fragrances that I love down, but I am not checking for them, okay? In this season called spring and summer. I don't even look at them. So I have 5 fragrances that I wanted to show you all what I do not reach for in this season. Although this fragrance is aromatic, although this fragrance has a lavender note in this, it also has some woody and some leather notes where I just do not reach for this in this type of season called spring and summer. And that is Tom Ford Effin' Fabulous. Although I love this fragrance down, I love the smell. I love this. It gives me this dominatrix type of feel. It gives me this boss girl, like, hear me roar, like just power, she doesn't come in all prim and proper. She comes in meaning business about her business, just down, okay, and sexy. But I do not reach for this or check for this in this hot season. I can't. This is too heavy, too leathery. It's just too much in the hot season. I can't even wear this at like summer nights. It's just too much. I really don't check for a lot of the leather fragrances. Maybe if leathery sweat, I don't know. It just depends on if we have like maybe a heavier fruity note. But most times I am not checking for this leather fragrant note in here. But I love this down, but just not for this season. Next up, this cognac spicy, warm and spicy cinnamon scent apple pie la mode that is so popular, but I definitely don't check for it in this season, and that is, yeah, you said it, Angel Share by Kilian. I love this fragrance down, but in this season, no. Oh no, even though it's so sweet and so good and delicious still, oh no, I don't want to be this delicious, okay? Not this type of sweetness. This to me is so much. It's too much in this heat. I can't take this, right? So I don't even look at this. This definitely gets its like sitting on the shelf, collecting dust, but I do, dust off the dust. But either way, it sits on the shelf until I see it back. Fall and winter, we get down. Okay, I don't know about you all. Comment down below. Do you all wear Angel Share and note? Like, this is just me, okay? So no shade if you do wear this in the spring, summer, and all seasons. I just don't check for this, but I would love to know your thoughts down below. Let me know. Do you reach for Angel Share in this season? Yeah, I don't, sis. Nope, not for me. Another popular beauty, a popular sweet beauty with a rose and vanilla flair, and that is from Mancera. This is Roses Vanille. You all know, I love this fragrance down. It smells so good and vanilla and rose and sweet, but this is too cloying for me. In this type of season, I do not check for this at all. Like, girl, I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Somebody hit me in my head if I'm picking this up for this hot season. I love this fragrance down. This is my, love her. But I feel like I love her more in the fall and winter, I feel like she shines more. I feel like she just works with my body chemistry more. But in this season, she is just too sappy and sweet. And yeah, it's just not me for this season. Me on hot? No. We can't do hot with her. Next up, even though this fragrance has jasmine, tuberose, blood orange in this, right? This also has ginger in it. And I don't know about you all, I love this fragrance down, but in this weather, this season, no. Catch me next season. But this is L'Interdit from Givenchy. This is Rouge. So good. I love it. And it has vetiver and sandalwood I love this so much. It just is too much. I don't know about you all. Let me know down below. But again, even though it has the white floral in it, you're like, well, sis, you can wear it like summer nights, spring nights. Yeah, no, I've tried. And I really like this in the fall and winter for me and how it thrives on my body. But honey, she hibernates in this hot season, and I pick her back up once the other fruity fragrances are hibernating. But this is a love for me, but I just do not reach for her in this spring, summertime. And last but certainly not least, I know someone is about to have at it with me. They're going to be like, sis, no, you can't wear this summer nights. You can't wear this spring nights. Honestly, I do not check for this in the spring and summer. I just don't. As much as I love it and the saffron of it all and the woody, the warm, spicy, the woody notes that are in this, as much as I love this fragrance, and she's been on many lists, many trays, like Zound, okay, Beast Mode, Money, okay, Smoney Money, okay, Big Money, Boss Chick, like all the things, okay, Diva. This is Diva. This is the queen. And as much as she is all of that and more, I don't check for her in this season, and that is Cavort. I know from Fragrance Dubois. I know y'all looking at me, but I've tried, and let's give it that. Okay, cheers. I have tried, okay, to love this in all seasons, but I will say I thrive and love this more in the fall and winter season, okay? When it gets cooler and cold and a little breeze. I need a breeze for this, okay? This is too powerful and impacting for you not to have some type of breeze. And when it's hot and sticky and nah.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
It's too much. It's too much for me, okay? But if you have a different experience, cool. Love it for you, sis. But for me, oh, no. I put her away. She is pretty. I love her down. But no. Nah. Can't take her in this season. Well, that's all, family, for my fragrances that I do love, but they're just not for me in this spring, summer season. Okay, I have to put it away. So they will be hibernating, okay, until winter and fall comes back, or fall and winter comes back around. You will not be seeing them. Well, make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.